All right, girl, we're back. We're back for part two. I don't know why I'm dancing, but I'm gonna bleach my hair this time, girl. All right, I gotta change my shirt. You know, you know, I be cutting up t-shirts, bitch. Don't, bitch. All right, we's gonna mix. We's gonna mix it, and I don't want to hear it. All right. This is what we're using. It's the charcoal flash. I really like this color brilliance ion thing. Well, actually, this is not color brilliance, but it's like similar thing. They're both ion. This is the kind of bleach that I like. This I use for my head. That I use for my beard because it's a little weaker. Oh, also, if you buy this, deceptively large. Like, if you wanted to fill this whole thing with the powder bleach, you'd have to buy, like, 2 of these bags. Because this thing comes like that. It's weird. I don't know. It's, deceptive. Okay, so I'm putting a scoop and a half in each. That was a half a scoop. Here's the scoop. Yeah, okay. Now this is a little bit different than regular bleach because it's the charcoal bleach. So instead of a 1-for-1 ratio, it's a 1 to 1.5. So as much bleach as that is, I'm gonna put like 150% of that in developer. And then I like to put just a little dash of this guy because the clear developer is cheaper, but this is like better for your hair. Plus it's a 10 volume, I don't know, weakens the formula a little bit. It works, girl. Okay, so this bleach is like charcoal color, but I want to show you guys something. So this is the one that I mixed first. And this is like the consistency of it. See how it's getting thicker with time. Well, I guess you don't see that yet. But this one I mixed second, and it's much thinner. So the more time that you give it to set in the bowl by itself, it's gonna like fluff up. You can't leave it there forever, obviously, like it's a chemical reaction, but fluffy. We got everything pulled back. We're all good to go. Um, this bleach is nice and thick. All right. All right, girl. So if you ever heard anybody doing bleach before, I'm sure that you've heard this shit. You gotta fucking saturate it. You gotta get it in every nook and cranny. You want to get all of the hairs completely surrounded by the bleach so that it processes every bit of that hair. Right. So that's what I'm doing. I'm going in on the sides, making sure I'm doing all that. Because, girl, if you don't get the sides, that's embarrassing. And then we're going into the top of the head. This is the harder part, I think. You got to get in between everything. You take thin sections and make sure that it's in between all of the hairs. You got to get around the whole edge of the section that you're bleaching. And, you gotta untangle everything as you go along, girl. It is a process. You gotta finish that shit up. You gotta make sure that everything is nice and tight and bleached, girl. And then we are gonna go in and finish the other side, doing the exact same thing that we did on the other side. No embarrassing mismarks of bleach, girl. And I don't know about you, girl, but my hair stands straight up. So when I put a little tie in it, it's good, girl. We're all good. Okay, so we're all sitting there. I'm gonna let it sit on this side because it was all pushed over to this side. So like, this is pretty hot. Like, I got a little chemical burn right there, girl. It's okay. We're good. It's fine. Okay, so overall, I would also like to say maybe next time we do 2 scoops. Maybe just leave it at that instead of the full 3 because I still have quite a bit of bleach left. Like this one is almost empty, but this I only used like maybe half of it, maybe a little less than that. Wasted product, girl. Maybe I can say that. I don't know. No, I don't think I can. I'm gonna get rid of it. Okay, girls, so we're back. I am feeling the color. However, I did do, I donkeyed up, bro. I donkeyed up a little bit. Because charcoal bleach goes really quickly. And it, like, just processes fast. So, I should have done both of the sides of my head at the same time. Because that's a little bit of a color difference. On the top, I'm not too worried about it. Because honestly, the difference from here to here is not that bad. I'm just going to have to wear my hair to the side, either side, for a little while. But, other than that, you know, I'm not tripping. I have a wedding in a month. My hair will grow out by then on the sides. I'll cut this off. Alright. Well, drop a like, you whore.